Ayan, good morning po. Kanta-kanta lang po tayo guys para ma-relax tayo. Ayan, may pang-upload na tayo. Malilibang pa tayo. Kung ano na lang pong maisip na kanta. Ayan, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga OFW po, ma'am, sir. Good morning po sa inyo. Sana po okay po kayong lahat. Sa mga subscriber ko po, good morning din po sa inyo. Mga silent viewers, organic viewers. Medyo may problema yung -1 ni Wisi. Ayan, ang tagal niya pong magkanta. Ayan, meron na. Ayan, try po natin kantahin ito pang lalapit ko guys. I've been in love so many times, you ain't know the score. But now you've treated me so wrong, I can't take it anymore. And it's look like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. I'm never gonna fall in love. Mali po yung -1 niya guys. Hindi ko masundan. All those things I heard about you, I thought we're lonely lives. But when I got in your arms, I just broke down and cried. And it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. I mean it, fall in love again. I give my heart so easily, I cast aside my pride. But when you feel for someone else, baby, I broke up all inside. And it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. That's why I sing it. Ayan guys, mali yung hindi ko na siya masundan. Ayan, dito na natin. Hanggang dito na lang po yung aking video. Thank you po.